So today I'm going to be making KFC style popcorn chicken. So let's begin. So I have here some breast chicken which I have cut into really tiny cubes. So we're going to start off with making the coating. So I have here plain flour, which is 200 grams. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of cracked pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic granules, a teaspoon of onion granules, a teaspoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm just going to mix this all up. So this is now ready. I'm going to now put this I've made an egg wash. So this is to dip the chicken in. I have put 1 egg, a teaspoon of lemon juice and a cup of milk. So I'm just going to whisk this together. So I'm going to dip in the chicken. Now I'm going to just coat the chicken. Once this is nicely coated, I'm going to just pop it on the side. I'm just going to repeat the process. Okay, so these are now ready to be fried. So we're going to allow to fry these for about 10 minutes or until they're actually cooked. These look nearly ready, so I'll be taking these out in a couple of minutes. So here we are, our KFC style popcorn chicken. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.